Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're gonna do a review on Peter Luger old-fashioned steak sauce. So Peter Luger opened a steakhouse at Caesar's Palace where I work in Las Vegas, and I was at my local butcher's block and I found this sauce, so I figured it'd be fun to review it. Peter Luger Steak Sauce. Let's go. It looks and smells more like a shrimp cocktail sauce than a steak sauce, to be honest with you. And I'm actually really surprised by the way it looks and smells. Very horseradishy, barbecuey. More like shrimp cocktail than a sauce than a steak sauce, but you know, we'll give it a shot. We'll try it. So I saved about half a New York strip for this experiment, and this is the steak I'm going to use. Here's the other side. Beautiful, beautiful New York strip from Costco. Step one, I'm going to season the bottom of the plate with garlic, sea salt, and pepper. This is what the plate is going to look like. So we go to step number two. We're going to brush the steak sauce onto the top side of the steak. So I'm just going to brush it. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. This is what it's going to look like, okay? I'm just going to brush the top of the steak with the sauce. All right, just like that. Pretty good amount. I'm going to brush the sides too. Just because I can, right? There you go. Going to do the sides. Make it a little messy. You know, when you make it messy, it tastes good. So now, this side is going to go down onto the seasoning, okay? Here we go. That goes down. That's the only way I can get seasoning to stick to that side, okay? Now, I'm going to put salt, garlic, and pepper on this side after I brush it. All right, here comes the sauce. Here comes the sauce. It looks nice. Nice and shiny and good. I'm just going to coat it all the way around. All the way around. Look at that beautiful steak. All right, I'm just going to coat it, coat it, coat it. And now I'm going to add salt and pepper to it. And here we go. We're going to go onto the grill, 5 minutes on each side. And I got the grill smoking hot. Smoking hot. Wow, it looks beautiful. Beautiful. Outstanding. Look at that steak. Wow. So after 5 minutes on each side, this is the end result, guys. Beautiful, beautiful steak. I'm gonna go cut the steak up, and then we're gonna see how the Peter Luger steak sauce worked out. I'll be right back. Peter Luger Steakhouse steak sauce. Let me tell you guys, the steak turned out amazing. Look at this steak. This is great. Wow. I was going to pull a piece out so I can show you. Wow, look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. Flip it over. Look at that piece of steak. That's just amazing. So let's dig in, let's try it. All right, this is going to be the review. Peter Luger's steak sauce. Steak turned out great. Let's okay. I can taste the sauce. It's not overwhelming or anything. It is sweet. Yeah, it's good. It's not bad. Let me need more. So I can slightly taste the sauce, but what happens if you take a piece of meat, dip it into the sauce like this, and then eat it? Would it improve the taste of the steak? All right. Here it is. Tastes like a shrimp cocktail sauce to me. On this steak, as good as this steak is, completely unnecessary, but fun. If you want to change the taste of your steak every now and then, do something different, I guess you can do something like this. This sauce is $7.99 for that bottle, so keep that in mind. It's not cheap. Yep, tastes like shrimp cocktail sauce. I don't know what to tell you. Would I use it on my steak? Probably not. No. On my shrimp? Sure. On my steak? No. Good steak like this needs no sauce. That's all I got for you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.